Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdullah Nafis. My metric number is A20EC4060. So now I will do the presentation of my final year project. So the title of my final year project is Cross-Cultural Emotion Analysis on X using Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. So let's dive into the problem statement. So understanding the impact of cultural factors on emotions in human-computer interaction is crucial. Social media platform X serves as a valuable data source for investigating this issue, as users express diverse emotions here. Analyzing cultural context on X is vital for developing inclusive platforms, enhancing marketing strategies, and also creating advanced tools for studying human behavior. The challenge lies in deciphering how cultural diversity and context influence emotions on social media, emphasizing the need for culturally sophisticated essay application to cater to a diverse user base. So the proposed solution is to improve the understanding of emotions on social media. We propose using advanced NLP algorithms like bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. This approach aims to enhance sentiment analysis accuracy by considering cultural backgrounds and contexts. Our suggested hybrid model BART integrates BART, adapting to diverse cultural expressions for a more nuanced analysis of emotional responses on social platform. So the goal is to create a sophisticated system capable of accurately classifying text while accommodating cultural and contextual differences. So let's see the objective to do a through collection and pre-process of X platform data from specific countries during the COVID-19 period. The second objective is to suggest a sophisticated BART model capable of qualitatively assessing people's sentiments from the tweets on X platform. And number three is to evaluate the BART sentiment analysis model's accuracy and examine the sentiment patterns in tweets made from specific countries during the COVID-19 pandemic. So the scopes are this research will specifically focus on examining how cultural factors influence the people of Malaysia, India, Pakistan, the United Kingdom, the United States, Australia, and Canada's emotion in the context of X interactions. So we have selected total 7 countries from 4 continents of this world. So number two is the aim of this comparative analysis is to find the cultural aspects that affect emotional experiences during X uses. And number three is the research examines the efficacy of the designed model using the Kaggle dataset. This is the link of Kaggle dataset of the people of Malaysia, India, Pakistan, the United Kingdom, the United States, Australia, and Canada's X interaction in real life scenarios, providing insights into ways to enhance user experiences and engagement. So the algorithm we have used is BART. BART is an acronym for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. It is a machine learning framework for natural language processing. So here are some literature review that I have done. I have done some more literature review. This is some of the glimpse actually. So next, this is the flow of the research. At first, the research, then review and studies of the existing techniques, and then the data collection, sample collection, and data process. So after this, the objective 1 will be met, and then phase 3, the machine learning model development, model selection, the model training, model evaluation. After doing this, the objective 2 will be met, and then the content analysis and discussion, textual analysis, and also visual analysis, and the analysis and interpretation of findings. So after this, the objective 3 will be met as well. So justification, cultural sensitivity. So to ensure that the findings are relevant to a wide range of populations, the research methodology has been especially modified to account for cultural variations in emotional expressions. Next, in interpretability of the model, the BART model is selected because it can effectively convey cultural and contextual subtleties, offering important insights into the logic underlying emotional classification. Then generalizability. So because the study focuses on 7 different nations from 4 different continents, its conclusion can be applied to more extensive cultural situations. Next, performance measurement. So at first we have data quality, the completeness, correctness, and consistency of the gathered data will be taken into consideration when assessing its quality. Then cross-cultural comparison. An assessment will be made on the validity and clarity of the cultural differences in emotional responses that have been identified. No particular mathematical equation will be utilized in the assessment of cultural differences. Instead, qualitative analysis and interpretation will be used. Then model performance, standard sentiment analysis metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score will be used to gauge how well the BART model performs. So all of the equations are written in the report. Next, the BART model architecture, input representation, then classification, head, loss function, and optimization. The details are written in the report. Next, dataset. The dataset used in this study is coronavirus tweets NLP text classification from Kaggle. This is the link of the dataset. And the tools we have used, Google Colab is used for the programming of the research, and the programming language is Python. So next, the data pre-processing system. At first, we collect the data, then remove all the null values, and then select a specific rows to select the specific countries from the data, and then scaling the data based on the sentiment, and at last, create a new CSV file. So this is the data pre-processing procedure. At first, the tweets from the X platform, then creating a data set, and then after that, we pre-process the data by removing the null value, specific row selection and scaling, then training data, testing data, and by doing this, model training, and also input train model and predict. So that's actually all for my PSM1. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.